Okay, so we are going to demonstrate the process which is called as Swish. As you know, Swish is a process that we run when a person has an unwanted behavior and the person wants to come out of it. Yes, Dr. Sahu, as I know, you are here. We are here to talk about the process called as Swish. So, is there something you would like to share on which you want to? We will be running the process called as Swish.
Yeah, Dr. Mangesh, when I conduct classes for the senior corporate people, and when I open the door, I feel a little bit some unwanted behavior, and I feel shaky when I see the senior people in front of me, and I feel that some butterfly effect is happening with me.
Good that you know about it, the trigger and the behavior. We can really do that. For a moment, just in your head, fire the trigger, stimulate the trigger, and see the behavior that you do not want to repeat. Just for a moment, see that.
Can I close my eyes?
Yes, choice is yours. As you see the image, is it that you are seeing with yourself? Is the image is there?
Yeah.
That comes after you fired the trigger?
Right.
Okay. Good. What's the time now? Can you see that?
Yeah, it's 3:40, 3:20.
So, Dr. Sahu, now what you got to do in your head, you may look at a different angle. So, this was your present state. Now, you may look at somewhere else and just think of the trigger and the trigger stimulating the behavior, and you got to see the image of the behavior after you seeing the trigger, that the image of the behavior is the desired behavior, the image of the desired behavior you want. Are you ready for that? Yes.
Yeah.
Quickly fire the trigger and see the image of the desired behavior. And you see that, make it bigger, make it brighter, make it powerful, and make it intensify. As it goes, you got to compact it into the form of a ball and bring and keep it on your left knee. So Dr. Sahu, now I'm going to tell you, I will be louder and I will be talking, saying this word called as swish. When I say swish, what you got to do, you got to stimulate the trigger. As the trigger is stimulated, see the old behavior, image of the old behavior appearing.
Okay.
As sooner the image of the old behavior is there in your imprint, immediately explode.
Sure.
This image of the powerful image of the new behavior that you have kept it there, you explode that so that this new behavior completely takes over and the old behavior completely disintegrates and goes out of your imprint. So are you ready to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, if you are ready to do that, let's do that. So here we go. Swish. Okay, good. I like this nameplate that which is being put on your blazer. It really looks so nice. Okay. Now, if you think of the trigger, how about the new behavior? What is the imprint of the new behavior? Is there some residual or it completely gone?
Yeah, there is some residual.
Some residual.
What I feel.
So let us go with once again.
Yeah.
So I will be again firing or telling the swish. The moment I tell you swish, what you got to do? You got to think of the trigger. As you think of the trigger, and the remaining part of the old image comes, then immediately you fire or you explore the a compact figure which is over there, or the picture of the new behavior which is there, so that the new behavior takes over completely.
Absolutely.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Here we go. Swish. Good. So, what do you think? What did you have in lunch today?
Yeah. We had a
Delicious food,
yeah,
isn't
delicious,
it?
yummy.
Good. Now, when you think of the trigger, you're opening the room of the training hall where senior people are there. How do you see yourself? What is
Now when I am opening the trigger and I am finding that yes, that behavior has completely gone out. Maybe another 1 or 2% is residual is there,
Okay.
and I think if we again go for it, then I will completely be out of that
Wow,
behavior.
yes. So Dr. Sahu, now I'm going to run Swish once again. So you got to imagine the trigger, stimulate the residual behavior, as soon as the residual behavior comes, explode the image of the new behavior so that completely takes over and you get your new image of the new behavior that you desire. Are you ready?
Yeah, absolutely.
So here we go. Swish! That's very good. You are really doing it so good. So, like sometimes in this part of India, we get the temperature is sometimes getting too high and sometimes it is well balanced, isn't it? Now I'm going to test once again. So Dr. Sahu, now when you know that and you want to test it, so if you open the room and you see the senior executives, so what is it that is, what image of the behavior you are seeing this?
Now I'm finding that type of behavior which I was earlier having is not at all there, and
Wow.
I'm completely taken over the control over the total situation, and I'm feeling very confident.
That's amazing, isn't it? And you see the power of Swish. So now we are going to run in a future pacing. So Dr. Sahu,
Yeah.
now for all moments in your life, the moment you step down and your brain learns, the moment then and thereafter, every moment, when you come across such situations, you are going to train people who are senior, and you are entering the room, you are opening the door, you find senior people are there, and the new behavior is your behavior, and this is going to happen. Okay?
Absolutely.
So nice of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
for being
Thank you
here.
so much, Dr. Mangesh.
So nice of you. Thank you.